Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Investment Property Group. They're looking for a human resource assistant and it pays up to $25 an hour. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to find more people just like you that are looking for the best remote work from home job that's available for them and for you. So here you can start your new career journey with a company that believes in self-growth and becomes the leader you always desired to be. Build your skills and be yourself. Work with a team that will coach you and cheer you on your new role. Our leaders will guide you in helping the property thrive and making the community better for all that step foot on the grounds. So what's in it for you? You're going to get $25 an hour. You get medical, dental, vision, 401k, life insurance, 3 weeks of paying time off, health savings account, and referral program. It is Monday through Friday. Your requirements will be, as our chosen human resources assistant, every day you'll be assisting with FMLA, leaves, accommodations, workers' comp, and being the right-hand person to our human resources director. We need someone who is quick to learn and is confident in making decisions. Looking for someone who can see the big picture and solve issues. To thrive in this role, you have knowledge on payroll software is beneficial, especially ADP but not required, strong attention to detail, strong communication skills, jump into new projects and execute, strong organization skills with high level of accuracy and efficiency. This job is full-time, pays up to $25 an hour. It includes those benefits mentioned before, such as 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, referral program, and vision insurance. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, Monday through Friday. And experience at least 1 year is required of human resources. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. And all you have to do to keep up is first hit that like button, second subscribe, and if you would like to be notified, hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.